Welcome to this session of multiple choice questions or curve tracing. In this session, we'll consider the examples on equation and diagram. It means in the question they may give you the equation and options will be the diagram of that corresponding. You have to identify the correct diagram for that given equation, or in reverse way they may give you the diagram and from the diagram you have to identify the correct equation for that diagram. So let us consider question number 1. The equation is xy square is equal to a square into a minus x, and there are 4 options in which the diagrams are given, and we have to identify the correct diagram for this equation. Now very first thing you have to check whether the given curve or given equation is passing through origin or not, and for passing through origin or not we have to put x0 y0 in LHS and RHS. So if I put x0 and y0 in LHS, what will be LHS? 0. And what will be RHS? RHS will be a square into a minus 0, that is a square into a means a cube. So you can see that LHS and RHS are not equal. LHS and RHS are not equal. It means curve does not pass through origin. And if you see the options, option A, it is not passing through origin. Option B is passing through origin, so it means option B is wrong. We cannot consider option B. Option C is also passing through origin, so it is also wrong. Option D is not passing through origin, so answer will be from option A or option D. So A or D, these are the probable answers. So we have to next consider the next criteria for choosing the correct option from A and D. Now for that, let us find out the intercepts. X-intercept, how to find? For X-intercept, put y0. So if I put y0, I will have a square into a minus x equal to 0. So that will give you x is equal to a. It means x a and y 0. So x-intercept is a0. X-intercept is a0. So you can see that in the diagram of option A, the intercept is a0, that capital A point is a0, but in option D there is no a0 point, means option A is the correct answer for this. Is it clear? So for question number 1, answer is option A. Next, consider question number 2. Question number 2, the equation y square into 2a minus x is equal to x cube. Its diagram we have to identify. Now y square into 2a minus x equal to x cube. First of all, let us check origin, and for origin we will put x0 and y0 in LHS and RHS. So what is LHS? If I put x0 y0, LHS will be 0, and RHS it will be also 0. Because both are equal, it implies curve or diagram is passing through origin. If you see the options, option A is passing through origin, option B is also passing through origin, option C is also passing through origin, option D is not passing through origin, so we can cut option D. Answer is from option A, B or C. So to get answer from A, B, C, we have to apply the next criteria. Let us find out the intercepts. Suppose if we find x-intercept, for x-intercept what we have to put y0. So if I put y0, x cube will be equal to 0. It means x is 0. So the x-intercept is 0, 0. And what is y-intercept? For y-intercept, we have to consider x0. So if we consider x0, what do we have? If I put x0, it will be 0. This 0 means 2a y square is 0. That gives you y is again 0. So this also gives you 0, 0. So x-intercept, y-intercept, that is also 0, 0, same. So no conclusion from this intercept criteria. We cannot rectify from A, B and C. Now to apply the further. Okay, let us find out the tangent at origin. Tangent at origin. How to find tangent at origin? Equate least degree term to 0. Equate least degree term to 0. So what is the least degree term? This will be 2a y square, x y square and x cube. So it means 2a y square is the least degree term. That implies y square equal to 0. That implies y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means what? X axis. Y equal to 0 means what? X axis. So you can see that option A is wrong because there is no x axis acting as asymptote at origin in option B and C. So option A is wrong. We have to think for option B and C, and for getting the correct answer from B and C, we have to apply the next criteria. Let us apply the asymptote. Let us first of all find out vertical asymptote. How to find vertical asymptote? Equate coefficient of highest degree term of y to 0. Highest degree term of y is y square. Its coefficient is 2a minus x. So equating coefficient to 0. That will give you x is equal to 2a. So x equal to 2a is the asymptote. Okay, so you can see that in option B there is no asymptote, but in option C asymptote is given. So option C finally we got as answer. So for question number 2, correct diagram is option C.